Now to a big health alert. The flu outbreak is starting to spread out of control, and it looks like it will get worse. Some say this is the worst flu epidemic they've seen in 20 years.
Some hospitals are overrun with patients. Steve Chamraz has the latest on what's become a very serious situation. Steve?
Mike and Carol, some doctors tell me that this strain of the flu we're seeing right now is just as nasty as the H1N1 bug we saw a couple of years ago, which means people are flooding emergency rooms looking for some kind of relief.
How you feeling?
After spending the day at work, Keisha Beasley gets to spend the night in a hospital bed, though she didn't get to St. Joseph Hospital without a fight.
How loud was she complaining?
It was me that was complaining.
Why?
Because she didn't want to come at first.
Keisha couldn't do much complaining anyway, as the first victim of the flu was her voice.
I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe anymore.
Breathing problems are a good reason to get help fast. But if it's just the flu's aches and pains that have you down, Dr. Todd Arbiter thinks a trip to the ER may be a waste of your time.
Generally, there's not much you can do except give advice on the home remedies that we as physicians even do.
Those kind of patients just tie up resources needed for people who are really sick, stretching the staff thin and making already long days even longer.
What, do you think you'll be here past midnight? I mean, if you just start...
More than likely. It's busy. Waiting rooms are busy all over Milwaukee right now. So.
Another piece of advice, check with your personal doctor. You should have one if you think symptoms are getting that bad. Now, we couldn't get our cameras inside Froedtert Hospital tonight, but we are told they have extra staff and they have made room for extra patients. On your side, live in Milwaukee tonight, Steve Chamraz, today's TMJ4.